4 days ago on Sunday, I analyzed 3 different markets that I gave you guys a high probability trade setup. Very summarized, but it was USD JPY for sells, GBP USD for sells, and Euro GBP for sells. Now, I didn't share with you guys the markets because I do it with my students every single Sunday on Sunday Swings, and I share with them all the details and stuff. And I try and make it fair for the students that are inside, and I give you guys a little bit of a clue, and you guys just kind of have to go get that clue and go find that market yourself. But I gave out these trades all on Sunday, and they've all played out. I want to do this today on my birthday because I'm not like these typical guys out there that they make the day about them. Like, today is not about me, it's about you guys, and it's my way of giving back to you guys. And I think that this is the most unique way, most authentic way to me, and something that you guys really want and enjoyed. I was going through the series, going through the comments, and even my DMs in the last couple of weeks, and you guys have been asking for this. So this is about to be crazy. For those of you guys that don't know, I turned $100 into about like 300K in 3 months. Then I blew it all in 1 week. I just made some mistakes. But now I'm a lot more of an experienced trader, and I believe my odds of succeeding this time will be greatly higher. Before I keep going, I want you to understand that's 3 completely different markets, 3 different high probability trade setups. I have had 9, I'm looking at the markets right here. I have 9 high probability trade setups. Like 3 of them have already gone, missed them because I was sleeping there in London. And now I'm giving you guys almost all of the other ones. So pay attention. So currently in the account, we are literally same amount. Didn't end up taking that trade last night. You guys should know why, but now I might want to. You guys should know why. If you don't know why, join Set and Forget, or go watch my YouTube videos. Release. So this is how we're currently looking on the account. Not that great. We're pulling back up into our stop loss area. If this candlestick closes and engulfing just as this one did right here, where I entered the trade pretty much, then we have a good solid reasoning for this trade to continue heading to the downside. So for right now, we're just going to simply set and forget. Not going to lose sleep tonight for a trade because we already are in the trade. Even if I wanted to add a position, I simply cannot because the leverage just won't let me. I'm using a 1 to 500 leverage for all of you guys asking. And yeah, set and forget. Tomorrow we're gonna either wake up to an account in profit or a blown account. What do you guys think is gonna happen? So we have officially closed at $3,000 on the account. You guys saw this trade to perfection. I shared the entry, the during, the after, the set and forget, and now the closure of it. I've taken $100 to $3,000 in 2 weeks. My goal this week was to turn the $400 to $900, and we ended up turning it to $3,000. So I'm 2 weeks ahead of the challenge originally, how I planned to do it. First of all, I want to thank you guys for trusting in me. I get 100,000 story views, 150,000 story views every single day. I want to thank you guys for trusting me and the analysis that I do. I want to thank myself for believing in me and fucking being so confident in my training plan, dude. My training plan is so bulletproof. It has gotten so fucking bulletproof these last couple of months that there is no price tag to this knowledge. Like, I am more confident than ever that I could achieve turning $100 into $1 million, how I'm doing it right fucking now. And with this trade, I explained very, very, very clearly the entry is going to be at the retest of the neckline of the head and shoulders, rejection from the EMA. We're going to enter off of the engulfing, and then we're going to continue to hold if our previous daily body candlestick closes under this. But even before that, I literally said this daily candlestick is going to get filled insane. And if I would have continued to hold this trade right now, I got a 1 to 6 risk to reward. If I would have continued to hold, this trade would have given me a 1 to 10 risk to reward. You only need 1 good trade setup a week, and that's it. And what I basically want to say with that is, if you set yourself to do something right now and you don't achieve it, don't beat yourself up. Don't. because you're probably just not ready for it. It's probably just not your time. And just because you didn't do it or didn't complete it doesn't mean that you did something wrong. It's just that you're building that character, you're building that person within you to become that person to then achieve that challenge, whether it's a weight loss challenge, a trading account challenge, passing a funding prop firm challenge, whatever the case is. You probably have to just go through a series of things like how I did for a whole year to become the person that I am right now, to be ready to do the flip and treat it how I'm treating it right now. So I don't know, just want to drop that wisdom to you guys. I'm adulting, and I'm realizing these things as I go, and I feel like it's very cool if I share with it. I have a really big young audience. To all my young guys out there, you guys are 16, 17, 18, 19. Bro, just challenge yourself. If you fail, get up and fucking do it again. Trust me, you're gonna achieve it with due time. And yesterday in my other Instagram account, on the 100 to the Mill account, I literally shared with you guys the exact trades I was going to enter. On this reel right here, I shared the entry and the 3 markets that I'm going to be trading for the week. You guys can see it right here. To get these results, I only have to take one of these 3 trades. So the first one is going to be USD JPY, which you have a very strong bearish market, retest of the structure point to then sell, where we're actually in this position right now. GBP USD, retest this. All right. I bought something really stupid. I spent $10,000 on something so stupid. I can't tell you guys what it is. Maybe you guys kind of come to the assumption. Let me know what you guys think it is. Let me just show you guys what you guys might think it is. Is it this? Is it this? I don't know. What do you guys think it is? And then last but not least, my absolute favorite, it's going to be this one. Fuck man, I just missed my entry by like nothing. But I might enter this very, very soon. I really, really like this one. Oof. Oh yeah, man, it's the best one for sure. With these $400 in profit, I literally surpassed the goal that I wanted to have for this week. My goal this week was to turn $100 into $200, and then next week turn $200 to $400. I just want to double the account every week. And this 1 week, I have literally done the goal for this week and done the goal for next week. So I'm debating now, should I call it a week, or should I now look for opportunities to then take the 400 to 800 within this week, which will put me ahead 2 weeks. But what I could do with that is, since I'm ahead a week or 2 weeks, I can minimize my risk. I don't have to be risking 100% of the account anymore because I am up. The whole point why I risk a lot is so I can reach those profit targets. But if I'm up, I'm pretty much free rolling for the week. What do you guys think? Let me know below. I want you guys to go to the last story and put that into perspective, because if this was $1,000, we'd be up 4,300. If it was 10K, we'd be up 43K. If it was 100K, we'd be up 430K. Now, the haters aren't saying anything. They're saying, they're, why? Because it was just 400 bucks. But when you start making more money than they've made the whole year in one single day, that's where they go, oh, scam, not real. It's like, dude, it's the same fucking trade, buddy. The only thing that changes the risk behind it, buddy. Come on, open your fucking eyes. It does not get any more legit than this. And you know what's the worst? That they actually copy these trades. But don't worry, guys. I'm going to give you more trades for you guys to copy. I have no hate in my heart. I want everybody to make money. But yeah, with that being said, mic drop. Set and forget. First day wearing the white band, and it is already dirty. But that's not even the biggest problem. I don't even get why these cars break. I don't even drive them that crazy. Honestly. I don't, right? Drive like regular people. So I finally got my Urus back. I literally lent it to one of my friends, and they blew my fucking rear brake caliper, but I finally fixed it. See, like one of the lines here is still messed up a little bit, but that's fine. It's a little bit of like the brake oil or coolant, whatever, on the brakes. Some of it got back here. It's just finally So pretty much in order for me to close this trade right now, I gotta wait for that candlestick to close in the next 3 minutes and 50 seconds, because I like how this candlestick closes the bearish engulfing after this huge push, then a little bit of retracement. I think this can have a little bit of an extra push in there. So the first pair up this week is going to be GBP JPY. As you guys can see, the account is at the exact same starting balance, and this trade has pretty much already played out. This is the 4 hour, and I was waiting for a retest of this area here to then go to the downside. We have clearly already pretty much had that push to the downside. The trade did not quite make it to that area of interest how I wanted to, but I did see a lot of traders catch this trade right here. It's a very high risk trade because it wasn't at the area of interest. So GBP JPY, we're looking to add a position and continue with this trend to the downside. We're gonna potentially enter something like this, but the trade did not line up. So this trade missed. If you guys want to actually get the markets that I trade every single Sunday and don't have to catch the clues, and you want to be like the students on Sunday swings that literally know where my take profit, where my stop loss, or my entry is going to be, join the Set and Forget community and join the Sunday swings, where I literally hop on a Zoom call every single Sunday and I share with you the markets I'm going to be trading on this 100 to the mil account. Here on social media and Instagram, it's also very hard because you kind of have to put on the notifications and wait for the trade to wait for me to post something whenever I want to post it, versus when you're inside the community, you actually hop on every single Sunday and you know before anybody does. So I'll see you guys inside the Set and Forget community this next Sunday, so we can share the next trades on the 100 to the mil account. Join Set and Forget. It does not get any more legit, any more transparent than this right here. You guys saw the trade going to draw down nearly almost below the account in this whole bullshit. Told you guys, wait, Set and Forget, and boom, we have had the move to perfection. Now, obviously, you guys know I never put it in my take profit numbers because I never want to cut my losses short. I always want to cut my losses short, but the whole fucking point of Set and Forget is to not cut your profits short. So obviously down here I was probably up like $600-700, but yeah, now we have a beautiful 1 to 3.8. The amount of times that I get asked what broker I'm trading on is actually ridiculous, and the same answer as last time: I am not promoting a broker. Now, I could get a broker deal and obviously become an affiliate and get paid for it, which I don't know, I'm thinking of doing it because I see a lot of you guys are being part of shitty brokers and you guys aren't getting the best market conditions. If you guys want to know where I'm trading on and you guys are cool with me getting paid for promotion and marketing you guys broker, let me know, because honestly 90% of these people out here, they do market these fugazi ass brokers with fugazi ass markets. I personally don't trade on any of them that none of these guys market, because they are all market makers. None of them are regulated. I trade on regulated offshore brokers because they obviously give me the option to give me a 1 to 500 leverage, but they are regulated. So, and they do have MetaTrader, which is what none of these other platforms have. So if you guys are cool with me, because I'm looking at one for promotion, but I don't know, I'm not sure if I want to get paid for. All right guys, I stayed up for nothing. We're about to hit margin call right now, and I literally stayed up for nothing because after my entry signal, look at it, price is literally pulling back right now, dude. Jesus. All right, this one honestly is a freebie. This is Euro GBP. You guys can see very clearly that we are under this previous level of structure. We've had the pullback. Now from here, what I need is a daily bearish engulfing candlestick, and then the next day for it to retest. So this could be ready around Wednesday. So this would have to have a pretty much show the structure, retest, and then head to the downside for me to enter Euro GBP. Literally what it did here. Higher highs and higher lows, broke under, retested, so now it's having to push up, break a structure. It's just literally this. I'm literally repeating the same sequence as right here, but now right here.